Mark, at JSP, you've been able to look at manufacturing sustainability holistically and really been able to roll it out across your entire ecosystem. What do you think has been the key elements of success in order for JSP to achieve that?
Number one, we're manufacturers, as you said. I think number two, we're a private company. And number three, probably we're a family company as well. But as a private company especially, we can make very much longer term decisions, and we're able to make quick decisions as well. I have two siblings in the business with me. My father is chairman, but we all spent significant time outside the business before joining. So we got a lot of experience elsewhere. And so we've come into the business, but we sometimes try to look from the outside in to see how we're doing it and how we should be doing it.
Mark, one of the things that's on all manufacturers' minds is this reverse of globalization and the potential cost implications for that. How is JSP tackling this challenge?
Well, fundamentally, we are a lean manufacturer. And when you go lean, you actually take a lot of waste out of the process. We're very focused on taking waste out for our distributor customers as well. So that means, what do? We manufacture the exact product they want as and when they want it. And we can take a standard product and we can actually add logos, for example, to it, like whether it be a helmet or an ear defender, and we'll supply it to them very quickly in a bespoke way. So we've taken all that waste out. So it might be a little bit more expensive, but having said that as well, we're manufacturing using robots. If you saw our factory here in Oxford and in Germany, in Düsseldorf, you'll see that we're making helmets, safety helmets, 100% by robot. So there is no human intervention whatsoever. So that means we can take our production to extremely high cost environments and be very close to our customer. And being lean is all about that. It's about giving your customer the ultimate service.
What are some of the goals specifically that you've mapped out for yourself, and how do you see you overcoming the obstacles to achieve them?
Okay, well, we've been since this year, 2023, we are carbon neutral for our PPE manufacturing, both in UK
Congrats.
and in Germany. So other goals we have is this year we want to be EcoVadis Silver, which we're on track for. We are zero to landfill in the UK, and we expect to be that as well by 2025 on all our sites. We only use green energy as well, and we're really working for the big one, which is to be net zero by 2035.
One of the things that I find most impressive about JSP's sustainability roadmap is you've been able to get control of your entire sustainability practice by using the latest technologies, but also owning your own R&D centers. Have you already seen a return on that investment?
Yeah, I mean, that's an extremely important point. I mean, our R&D around our products, we're a product-based business, is absolutely essential for the long term. We're weighing up sometimes elements such as cost of manufacture against the ability to break down a product to make it recyclable. We want to make and bring out our products in the most sustainable way. That means manufacturing sustainably, but also making a product which you can then break down and put back into the proper recycling channels. And we work hard to create those channels and to put our customers in touch with those channels as well.
What are some of the sustainability practices that you've already adopted and deployed that you would like to see become industry standard?
I think the most important thing is being able to take product at its end of life and then find a way to get it through recycling. And the more of our, I wouldn't say competitors, but our fellow companies in our industry can work together to achieve that, the more we'll achieve, we have a likelihood of achieving a critical mass to make it more cost effective to do so. And that's extremely important. You need a critical mass. You need to be able to develop routes to be able to get products back in to that whole sort of recycling channel. And that does need some volume.